Yeah. I said lately I've been on the grind, striving to go to another level. Like I said, man, I'm just trying to run to God, while at the same time run away from devils. Pebbles of sinful thoughts transform into mountains. I've tried to climb them instead of move them, man, I'm tired of counting the many times I've fallen down hard, messed my knees up. Only by the grace of God that I'm not a paraplegic. My feet up, cause now I'm relaxing in my own misery. For many moons my mind been inside of a penitentiary. Not physically but spiritually a slave to myself, and thoughts of victory and optimism sadly on the shelf. My health is on decline cause I don't eat enough. Only in the church you'll catch me opening scriptures up. Man, this is tough without you as my rock. Lord, I'm steady rattled. I'm just a malnourished soldier trying to fight the battle like cattle, like trying to hurt us and lead us. Tied on destruction. The masses ain't even nervous. They dance, look at them strutting to their own demise. In my case, I see the sheep, but no, he in disguise. Tell me, guys, what's worse? Willful ignorance or ignorance? I can't judge a soul. I can't even lose my temperament, man. I just let it go. When I see the world acting like the world in the slums, cause I drank the cup and knew it was poison, dumb as they come. I don't run, I beat a drum on my way to simple pleasures, all the while knowing they won't fulfill nothing to make me better. In fact, they gon' do the opposite, leave me empty and worthless. But I can't answer why I still do it, and that on purpose. I'm hurting deep down inside, but it don't show on my face. I'm appealing to your mercy, I'm in need of your grace. Got your face I need to seek, but I need for you to breathe on my spirit and my soul. For too long I've been deceased. You say ask and receive, you give without price. You said let there be light, now tell me let there be life, because I wanna live right, but in my own strength I'm doomed. Come empower me, I'm vacant, I need you to fill the rooms. In my mind, in my spirit, in my soul. I don't want the reins, Father, please come take control. I surrender like a river, come and let your love flow. I'm delivered, so I figured I'd let everybody know. Now you know that there's none condemnation. There's no condemnation, no condemnation, no